Hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm participating in a tablescape for Valentine's with Jody from Southern Seasons. I'm so excited to share my Valentine's tablescape with you. If you watch my Valentine's home tour, you'll know that that's very special for me. As I said there, and I'll share for those of you who might have just joined me, is my mom always set a beautiful Valentine's table, festive for every holiday actually. But Valentine's was always so special. She loved to share her love with her girls, and I'm one of three sisters. And it was so sweet. She would always set the table the night before a holiday. We used to be excited to get up in the morning and to see how festive it was. But she would always have a cute little box next to our juice glass, and when we were old enough that we had our ears pierced, there'd be a little, cute earrings in it, or maybe even a cute necklace or bracelet, and it just brings such sweet memories. I don't know how you share your love with your loved ones on Valentine's Day, but for me, decorating my home to celebrate each holiday, to make it festive, is a way for me to share my love with those that I love. And I just love to carry on the traditions. As I said in my last video, I am so blessed. My mom's 97, going to be 98 soon. It's a blessing. So I'm going to start with my tablescape. And as I've said before, there's not a lot of Valentine's things in the market. I think Dollar Tree really did a good job this year. But I had to make a lot of my crafts over the years, and I keep pulling from my tubs things that I make year after year. I use a lot of silk flowers, but I did a lot of DIYs, and if you watched my Valentine's series, you've got to see a lot of my DIYs. And one of them I did here, well actually two of them I did here, is the book stack that says Follow Your Heart. I just used some paperback books, ripped them off, shabbed them with chalk paint, and then stamped on it Follow Your Heart and wrapped it with some jute twine. And I had found a cute little card that's in that frame. It says I love you. I thought that was sweet. And inside the card there was a cute little saying, and I cut that card out and I put it on the top and used those sparkly stickers that I got from Dollar Tree in my Dollar Tree haul for Valentine's Day. So you're going to see a lot of Valentine's DIYs and a lot of Dollar Tree things in my tablescape, but let's get started, and I hope you enjoy. Now these were at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use them as placemats. I know people have used them for a lot of things, but I thought how cute they would be for placemats. And I used a lot of pink and red this year in my home for decorating, so I'm going to mix it up and see what I think. And because I'm using red dishes, I got 4 pink in case I don't like the red with the red, but we're going to see that together. I've got just a pretty red dish that I'm going to use. And see, that pops on the pink. I don't know if it's going to do it on the red. Let's look. Yeah. So this is one of the times that I'm glad that I thought this through when I was in Dollar Tree and got 4 pink, because I don't think the red dishes show up well enough on the red hearts, but I can use the red hearts on my island and, just as part of the decoration. So I'm going to take the red off and put pink back on. And I've got some scatter from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to use that pink and red shiny little hearts. Now I've got some white dishes. These are some cute napkins I picked up at Hobby Lobby, 50% off. And so it costs $2 for this package. And there's 60 napkins in here. That was a good deal. But I thought they went so cute with the pink and the red. And that looks cute. I think that looks good. This is breakfast, so I'm not being formal and so forth like I do in my formal dining room. This is a breakfast table. I'm mimicking what my mom used to do just from memories. So I'm going to use my coffee cups. And these are my everyday silverware. I'm going to use these little pedestals. I have these from Target a few years ago for my daughter-in-law's shower. And I'm going to sit it right here, right in the center of that heart. And I've got cute little pumpkin muffins with cream cheese frosting on them, and I put them in the cute little heart cups. So everybody's going to have coffee, some muffins, I have more than those little ones, and some quiche. And I thought that would be a great way to start Valentine's Day off. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this collaboration, and there'll be a link in the description box so you can go on over and visit all the other creators that participated in this Valentine's Tablescape collaboration. And I want to thank Jody at Southern Seasons for hosting. I always love to participate in her collaborations. I love watching her Tablescape Thursday. She does such a beautiful job. She collects dishes for every season. I kind of do that too. Maybe that's why I'm so drawn to her and love her so much. But you've got to check out her channel. She just does an amazing job. Anyway, I just want to wish you a happy Valentine's Day. Take care and God bless.
Here's my tutorial on how to personalize a plate.
Bake these in the oven, and I'm going to write with a red ceramic marker on them, love.
Okay, so I am going to be using a Sharpie permanent marker. I'm going to be using rubbing alcohol to clean down the plate with a piece of cotton. Then I'm going to let it dry. Now I'm going to use a level so I can get my painter's tape evenly to use as a guide. Now the painter's tape is going to help me get a nice level line so I can use that as my guide as I write my word. And you can see on my phone I have the word love, and I found that, and what I'm going to do is use that as my inspiration to freehand this. Now I'm going to go back over it and thicken up the lines where I want them to be accentuated, just like the picture on my phone. Okay, well, I am happy with that. And now what I'm going to do is remove the painter's tape and put it in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. And that will seal the marker to the plate. Now, they don't recommend putting this in the dishwasher. Hand wash is fine. And I'm not even sure I'd use it in the microwave. But how fun, you can personalize any plate. Isn't that cute? I hand drew a little heart on there as well. And if you enjoyed this video, check out my Valentine's series. I'll link a card at the end. And if you like DIY, decorating, crafting, and cooking, all things home, consider subscribing to my channel, Your Girl with Pearls. And don't forget to hit that little bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video.